Point of correction to MKP minions and all Malema haters. Julius Malema did what he does best. He stood up to defend the law and protect those who are unfairly treated in Parliament, even if they are his political enemies. Malema did not defend Diane Kohler Barnard as an individual. He defended the principle of fairness and the rule of law. His point was simple and powerful. Parliament must operate according to its own rules, not emotions, factions, or political bias. This is not the first time Malema has demonstrated consistency in defending the law over political convenience. Remember, he took the same position when former Judge John Hlopie was unfairly targeted and removed from the Judicial Service Commission, JSC.
Good day once again. Greetings to everyone. On this video, we are going to talk about the DA's Member of Parliament, Kohler Barnard, whom is talked about that she is implicated by Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's testimony, and there's a strong feeling that she must be removed or she must recuse herself. So I would like to say, please like, subscribe, and comment. Fellow South Africans, it is a realistic matter that for quite some time we have been exposed by our inability to know the laws of South Africa, or even to know the proceedings at different spheres of government. And I would like to encourage our people to at least attend the council sittings to understand the proceedings, understand the role of different stakes of government, even to that low level. Because we find people not understanding difference between the administrative sphere of government and the political sphere of government. And me talking from the point of knowledge, I am one of the people that make sure that I align myself with knowing and understanding how does these structures operates or work, so that I will not be coming here and then I must be able to respect other people. Respect other people by making sure when you come in front of them, you provide receipts so that people can respect you. It doesn't mean because you are on a social media, you must act recklessly and talk as you want. Respect other people and make sure what you bring to them is something factual, is something truthful, is something with reasoning or facts. You know, you just don't come and talk for the sake of it, and then the next moment people followed you, and then things are not as you said. So the easiest and the shortest I can say about fellow South Africans is that a member of a parliament is brought by his or her own political party. She accounts to a political party. And when she comes there, whatever she say, most of the times come from the caucus of the political party. It's the mandate of a political party. Now, as a result, when she go and say something over there, the political party must gonna take a collective responsibility for that, not individualistically. Now, it is up to the political party whom the people have voted, and the people will vote for it to make sure that the person that it brings there is not contaminated, is not toxic, doesn't have any integrity challenges, so that the people can vote for the party in future. That's where it stands. It doesn't mean that when Barnard is toxic or is not is allegedly not in a good stand, it means now all the political parties members will fail to hold whoever responsible accountable. They will still be, but the political party called Democratic Alliance will face the wrath of the people to say no. You say you stand for goodness, you stand for principle, but look what kind of a person you brought for us. It is for political party. And in the terms of reference of the ad hoc committee, there is nowhere where it says immediately when the member is implicated will be removed, because it is not for the ad hoc committee to remove the member. If the political parties have the conscience and value the people of the country, it will make sure that the person that's coming there is not contaminated. And as a result, it is saying it will be for principle, for the goodness of a person. The heart is telling you that no, at this situation, I must not be here. Then as a result, you will recuse yourself. You will stand away by yourself. You will go away and say, let me go away and clean myself. And then if you don't, your party is going to suffer the consequences. You cannot, as other political parties, go and spend time trying to score points by including yourself into the affairs of another political party. Hence, it is said that Julius Malema say, even with Judge John Tlhophe, I stood the same position. Even though you are still at MK, I said, let us not set a trend whereby some other time we'll find other political parties, when they see a certain member of parliament is stronger than them, and then we will push the agenda that will grow his party. And then that member, there will be the impression that he must be removed, something like that. It must remain within the political party.